Assalamualaikum and hello. We are from Group 1 and our case study is case study 3. First of all, my name is Nuzahira Aina binti Muhammad Fauzi. My matrix number is H21A3051 and I'm going to start with the abstract. The purpose of the assignment is to show the business transaction of the company, the interconnection between accounting research, theory and actual practice are also the purpose of this assignment. And the assignment provides the calculation and essay form to show the transaction process, opinions and reviews of this case study. And the third one, the research of this case study is important to make an impact for accounting practice and society. The assignment also will have a scope that connects the case study with all the professional accounting terms. And moreover, all the research that have been made by the researchers are based on accounting theory and practice for the case study of Mr. Strauss. That's all. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to share about introduction of my account assignment. Accounting, we know as a language of business. Accounting can be defined as a systematic process of recording, classifying, summarizing, report business transaction, and interpreting their effects on the efforts of a company to the users for decision-making purpose. As we know, there are three key financial statements generated. First, income statement provide information about the profit and loss. The balance sheets give a clear picture on the financial position of business on a particular date.
Assalamualaikum. I'm Nuriza binti Shukri. We are explain about journal entry. That's I and my group members are doing. So let's see. Now I will let you all know what the journal entry. Journal entry. First, journal entries are used to record business transactions in the accounting system for organization. And then, journal entries will form a building block of the entry accounting methods that have been used for centuries to keep financial records. Third, they make it possible to track the use of research, business, and where those research come from. The method of accounting for two admission should be recorded in the account admission of at least two accounts. According to a journal entry from the case study 3, we can see that every transaction may cost to be debit or credit.
Ledger. A ledger is a book of account used to record business transactions. Therefore, the ledger is divided into two parts. First, namely general ledger. Second, subsidiary ledger. Last, the purpose of ledger division is easy to manage management and control. Next, able to increase efficiency and reduce recording error.
Next is about trial balance. A trial balance is a list of all the general ledger accounts, both revenue and capital, contained in the ledger of a business. This list will contain the name of each nominal ledger accounts and the value of the nominal ledger balance. Each nominal ledger accounts will hold either a debit balance or a credit balance. The debit balance value will be listed in the debit column of the trial balance and the credit value balance will be listed in the credit columns.
Next, we move to the statement of profit and loss. Profit and loss account is a financial statement that summarizes the result of the company operation for a period. Income statement refers to statement of income and expenses. It presents a picture of a company's revenues, expenses, gain, loss, net income, and earning per share. That's all. Thank you.
Balance sheet. The balance sheet is a financial statement. While the financial statement are used for summarize the asset and liability of the company and the company shareholder equity over a period of time. An overview to investor of what a company owns, including the debt its own, and it is also reflection to investor of the amount invested by shareholder.
Next is the usefulness of the statement profit and loss. Preparing profit and loss statements are giving benefit and usefulness to a company. The reason why it is very usefulness to a company because first, make the decisions become wider. The PL statements are prepared to make company able to look back on it and review how well their company fared over a chosen period of time. Using all the results, they be able to make better financial decisions because they already have a strong knowledge of how their business is doing in terms of revenue and expenses. Second is to have proof of the company. Recording all the PL statements on paper can determine that the business company has been doing very well in their operation. This allows them to play their cards around investors or buyers if they have the intention of selling their business. And the last one is to make a bottom line for a company. If a company has revenues higher than its expenses, then it will make a profit to that company. And if the expenses lower than revenues, the company will see a loss. This profit and loss table shows that company to analyze where they can improve of their revenue streams and cut costs. And for example, of the cost of goods sold subtracts 17% from the gross revenue, then the business will determine if they need to use the cheaper material or raise prices. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nora Shazlana binti Muhammad Zulkifli. Metric number is H21A2922. Okay, today I would like to talk about the useful of the balance sheet. Okay, first of all, the useful of balance sheet is show us the asset, liabilities, and shareholder ownership of a corporation. Okay, second is balance sheet also show what a firm owns and how much money its shareholder have invested to the firm. Okay. Third, as we know, balance sheet is used for financial reporting and analysis. Consists of applying analytical tools and technique for financial statement. Okay. The fourth is investor, creditors, and regulator agency generally focus their analysis of financial statement on the company as a whole. Okay. Next, as we know, balance sheet also refers to how simple it is turn them into cash, classified into categories that current asset and non-current asset. Okay. Balance sheet also can utilize the difference between this point and another single point in time in the past since it is merely a snapshot in one time. Okay, last, balance sheet also various sectors have various ways to financing. It is because the balance sheet need to compare to those of the other firm in the same industry. Okay, that's all for useful of the balance sheet. Thank you.
I am Zakia binti Tubin, nometric H21A3125, the last presenter of a slide, which is conclusion. In conclusion, accounting have organization to determine your financial rights and obligations. Without proper accounting, it would be very difficult for a business to calculate, for example, the exact amount a supplier needs to be paid, taking into account costs of purchase, discount, sales tax, and so on. We can conclude we should open the data in our case study group. Our group have learned what is about business and there a lot of information that we get to know about, which is his business background, financial information, and the purpose of setting up this business and so on. We managed to complete this task successfully and get new knowledge and interesting experience while making this assignment. It allows us to develop key transferable skills such as teamwork, organization, communication, leadership, and also solving problems. Thank you.